Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing the gate so it cannot shift. Place 2 jack stands or 2 x4 blocks under the gate near the hinge. Next, spray penetrating oil on pins and let it soak for 5–10 minutes while you clear corrosion with a wire brush. Then, use a wrench and punch to drive the hinge pin upward. Tap gently and steadily. Once the pin moves, remove it and lift the leaf off the post. This lets you access hinge faces and mounting bolts for repair. With the hinge off, clean both hinge barrels and mating surfaces thoroughly. Remove rust with a wire brush or grinder to get metal-to-metal contact. If a pin or plate is bent or worn, measure diameter and replace with a matching hardened pin. Why? A correct fit prevents wobble and premature failure. Reinstall the pin dry fit first, then apply a thin coat of grease or anti-seize to ensure smooth movement. Make sure bolts are rehang the leaf onto the post and insert the new or cleaned pin. Tighten mounting bolts in a cross pattern so the hinge pulls flush. Once hung, swing the gate slowly to check for rubbing, binding, or uneven gaps. If it catches, lower or raise the bolt slightly or add a thin shim behind the hinge plate. Finally, paint exposed metal to slow corrosion. If the gate still sags after these steps, replace the hinge plate or add a center support to remove load from a single hinge.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.